Hey guys, it's Cheryl here today. I want to give you a updated fall tour of the patio. Things have really changed. Look at these two guys I stuck in this empty pot. I didn't do much this year for Halloween, but I did want to share with you my patio. It's all cleaned up from all the spring stuff. Let me just move some things on here on this baker's rack. And this plant here, I'm going to let you know what it's called. I can't recall right now, but this has lasted since April, and it's still got new blooms coming on it. But it is a tropical, so I'm going to have to put it away in the garage and hope it will survive through the winter. But I plan to buy some more of these next year because they do last and continuously bloom. So I will share the name of that once I find out. And as you can see, the hostas are starting to turn, and pretty soon, in probably a week, they'll be all yellow. And I will, as they dry up, I'll pull out the leaves and they'll be ready for next year. You see this crazy mandavilla is still going, not much blooms. And here is the Japanese maple. The leaves will turn like in the fall, like a tree in the ground. Sorry about the sun shining. Just want to show you we put all the other hostas here on the edge in the winter. And my tapestry is looking pretty good. Like I said, I had some spots that dried out, so we have a soaker hose here, so next year it won't dry out as fast. And look at my mums. They're beautiful. I just love the color, and they're so full. And I'm not sure how long these will last, but as soon as they're done, we will be taking these black pots inside so that they don't crack in the winter. But I wanted to show you this tree over here. If you could see the red color of the tree. And look, just look. And so my tapestry is filling in. You see I got a couple of blank spots, as I said before, but they'll fill in the spring. I need to put some of this other sedum over that way. You see that one has already climbed past the edge a little bit. And there's some more mums. And you see how this hosta has already turned yellow. And some of them are still green. That one on the end there has also turned yellow. And I just love the fall colors. There you go, another mum. You can see up close what the blossoms look like. And there's another view of the four. Did I say hostas? I meant the four mums. There you go. There, that's a little bit better. And those two plants out there, the begonias, they have lasted also, I believe, since April. But as soon as a hard frost hit, they'll be done. And then you can see what the trees are starting to turn out in the yard. And over here, this is the first year I tried to grow a bougainvillea. It was a hothouse and it had pretty blooms on it, and now it's growing crazy. I'm going to cut it back probably next week, but I just couldn't cut it yet because the blossoms have the most beautiful color orange. And see that little white thing in there? That's the actual flower on the bougainvillea. And to let you know that this is zone 7B, and the bougainvillea does have thorns on it, so you do have to be careful when you cut it. And these are just some spikes that we get every year. This one's a little older, but see how it's dyed at the bottom, where this one has not. And we'll keep them in the pot all year. And over here is the clematis vines. They're done. I probably will cut them back some in the spring. And over here is another mom with some creeping Jenny in it, and This one lasted outside all year long, and look how pretty it came back. This came from my sister. Thank you, sister. And over here, you know, this is my hosta bed. Remember, this used to have a tree there. So the hosta still held up pretty well, despite not having the shade that it once had. And look, a little fern has grown in there. I didn't plant that. And then I have another little plant back there that I can't see it right now. It's coral bells. It blooms orange as well. And over here we have a little cactus in a pot. And then this is another, look at this. This is a sedum. It's not even in a pot and it's still alive. That's the hardy ice plant. I think I'm going to cut this one back in the spring. Here's another view of the mom. And down here are my hens and chicks. They usually start doing pretty good toward the end of the season. But this one next to it is about gone. I'm going to leave it, but I'm going to take all the dead off and put it back in the pot. And we put these trees up here when we took down the other. Remember, I had some, I think they were million bells. I don't know if I'm going to buy them next year. And that's just the daylily I had in the pot, which I may put in the ground. Let's see. And then here is another mandavilla. You can see this one gets more sun, and so it has more blooms, and it's still blooming even though it's gotten cooler. So probably will be cutting this one back shortly as well. I don't know. I haven't tried to see if it'll come back in the spring. I'll try it one year. And you can see down there the bird houses. And there's another view of the hostas that's turning colors and the moms from this direction. So guys, I'm sorry I haven't been around a lot. I hadn't been feeling well, but I'm trying to get back to do a little bit more with the garden and with my crafts and things that I do around the house. I'm always hoping that you enjoy my videos. And I hope everybody's doing well, and I'll be back to watch some of your videos soon. And I hope everybody is well and they take care. Alright, this is it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.